Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ask an Artist, where I share valuable life lessons that have helped me grow not only as an artist, but as a human being in general. In this episode, I want to talk about being supportive and kind to other people. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite quotes ever by the fabulous Stephen Fry, who said that in the world what counts more than talent, what counts more than energy or concentration or commitment or anything else, is kindness. And the more in the world you encounter kindness or cheerfulness, which is its kind of amiable uncle or aunt, the more, just the better the world always is. And all the big words, virtue, justice, truth, are dwarfed by the greatness of kindness. It may not be cool or badass or whatever the latest pop culture heroes or anti-heroes are being these days, and it most definitely won't always be easy. It relies upon what Daniel J. Siegel, clinical professor for psychiatry at UCLA, calls response flexibility, the ability to pause before responding to something or someone, which then enables us to consider a range of possibilities before taking action. Maybe I should rather listen than speak. Maybe I misunderstood something and want to ask to clarify. Is this really helpful, or am I just showing off? Am I being kind or am I being mean? And just a general rule of thumb here, if I feel like ending my response with, "I hope I didn't insult you," I am most likely being insulting, or at the very least, neither supportive nor kind. Now, personally, I always try my best to be supportive and kind to others, because as an artist, I know how hurtful and demotivating it can be to get negative responses to your creative work. And because honestly, being kind costs you nothing. Nothing more than pausing before responding to consider your options. And like any other skill, it gets better with practice. You also get better at dealing with negativity over time. But that's a story for another day. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to talk about that or have any other questions you want to ask me. Also, you can easily support me if you want by liking this video, and if you haven't already, hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon to be first to know about any new videos. Thank you all for watching. Have a fabulous day or night, wherever, whenever you are, and remember to be kind.